to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, now be shining.